Alright, I don't know how to start this shit, right? But like,
Yo, what's up?
oh yeah, yo, what's up? This is Lester with the Broke Beamer Boys, and my boy Mikey Tarentits out here.
Spray paint my fucking hood vents.
So we're at my cribbo, and
You gotta mention subscribe to Joe Son.
alright, but that's at the end though.
No, it's just all.
Alright, fuck you. Okay, so can I twist this? No. Okay, so we're painting my hood vents. What's up, you fucking? So I taped this bitch up, and yeah, for this I kind of just used an X-Acto knife and tape, obviously, 2 trash bags, and then some extra bubble wrap that we had from like Christmas packaging. I ended up spending like, I think it was like fucking 20 bucks on the 3 cans of paint, and on including the roll of tape. So let me actually get that paint. Okay, so courtesy of Home Depot out here. Fuck that shit. Fucked up. Fucked up. Bro, this is part of the life. Okay, you're staying. So these are 3 colors, and then we're gonna start off with this. We're gonna do the 3, and yeah. So, all right. So first of all, yesterday my friend got railed because some dickhead decided to put a different color cap on his spray paint, and he painted his mirrors like some cherry color.
Shit.
He was trying to paint it black.
Whack.
So make sure you test it. That's the color you want.
Looking icy. Okay.
Looking icy.
Okay.
There we got the color reference.
Okay.
Miami Beamer Club. Yo! I'm scared.
Don't fuck up, bro. It's on YouTube.
Alright. I think that's good for the first coat. I'm gonna wait for like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then I'll run it again. And yeah, I'll update you when I'm going to the second one. This is gonna take a fat minute.
Straight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Did you start?
Yeah, we're
Alright, so over here we are done with the second coat. It's gonna take a while because once this dries, then we have to like cover it up. It has to be dry enough for me to put tape on it, so I could do this layer and then vice versa for the third one.
Right.
Yeah, it should fucking take a fat minute, but that's good for that one.
That's good.
Now we come over here. We found some black spray paint, and we decided to paint my homie's rims over here. Make it look like a narc ass whip right here. Oh.
It's coming out shitty.
Oh, let's go get a.
All right, so we're gonna go to the left side. Left side doesn't look as shitty, but it's still shitty. But you know what? We did it with 1 spray can, half. We did it with half. And honestly, I don't give a fuck about this car. So yeah, look at this. Look at this nice paint job right here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, look at that shit.
That's that muscle car specialty, bro.
Yeah, you gotta have peel paint in the front.
Hell yeah. But yeah, it was really with like half a can of spray paint. He just wanted black rims, so.
And there still is some cans of spray paint. So we're gonna get to it in the next video. This might be
Yeah, all right. I'm fucking triggered, boys. I'm fucking triggered, all right? I know what happened. I did 1 more layer, and then somehow it came out like this, and I'm ready to break some shit. I'm really heated because it was looking nice right before. But at least Mikey's car is looking nice. I'm gonna figure out a solution for this problem. But as of now, watch out. Yeah, decent for half a bottle of spray paint. All right, people. So I gave up and I restarted. Is what happened. I got a razor blade and I completely took it all off. It's not gonna look the best anymore because fuck this. So I took off the most of it with the razor blade, and then I used this, which I just found in my garage, and it took it off pretty freaking well. So that's the first coat, and then I'm gonna probably do the second coat right now. Stressful, but whatever. All right, so it's late as balls, and I just finished the third one. Now we're just gonna wait these 20 minutes out, and then I'm probably gonna take them off. If you do this or anything that has to do with painting, I mean spray painting, only do 2 fucking coats. Because if you do more,
What happens?
your shit cracks. It's just I don't even know how it
Yeah,
happened,
it
but
just
just
turns
stick
to
to
shit,
two.
bro.
Stick to two. Don't overdo it. All right, so we just finished. Like I said, if you do anything that has to do with painting, only do 2 fucking coats. I'll explain right here. Since I did more than 2 coats on the first one kind of came out like shit. Zoom in so they could see how shit. I don't know if you could tell, but there's like some bumps and things since I had to like redo it. And the second and third one I only did 2 coats, and they came out pretty fucking fire. So yeah, this is what the fucking car done. Can you get your camera and put flash?
I got you.
Flame.